But first, a cyclist who nearly died from a brain injury after being hit by an e-bike has called for a change in the law after being left unable to claim compensation. Mohammed Ressam was using a cycle lane in Kingston when he collided with someone on a Forest e-bike, hitting his head on the pavement. He later discovered the company, unlike other bike firms, does not have the kind of insurance that would compensate him for his injuries. Rags Martel explains.
It's changed the way we travel. E-bikes are easy, green and convenient.
But when you get on a bike, insurance cover is probably the last thing you think about.
For Mohammed Ressam, one ride changed his life.
As you could see the video, you could see me coming from that side.
In May, he was cycling in Kingston when he was hit by an oncoming rider on a Forest bike.
It was terrible. It was like so painful. I got the scars here, which when they done surgery goes all the way around.
So he had a craniotomy.
So basically I was bleeding in my brain. I broke my ribs and fractured my bone here.
Despite colliding with a rider on a heavy Forest e-bike, the hire company say they're not required to make any insurance payout to Mohammed.
That's the worst thing about it. It's the cherry on the cake to all the injuries that he's had. And then on top of that, there's no insurance or anything that can, help him. And he didn't do anything wrong. He was riding his bike on the correct lane at the correct speed and then got hit by this person on a Forest bike that came out of nowhere and caused these really, really severe injuries, which he could have died from.
Forest Bikes told us that they do have public liability insurance, but it covers the bike only and not people.
The collision is now a legal dispute. Laura Swaine is Mohammed's lawyer.
The biggest lesson for people, especially those who hire Forest bikes, is that you are liable should you cause an accident and you injure someone. If the person who had hit him was a wealthy individual, we would have a recourse against that wealthy individual.
If you were renting a bike outside, would you think twice about hiring a Forest bike?
Oh yes, I'd rent a Lime bike or a Santander bike.
In a statement, Forest told us they have comprehensive public liability insurance which covers incidents arising from a mechanical fault or failure of our bikes. Our focus is on maintaining our bikes to the highest possible safety standard. For Mohammed, recovery is slow, but it's a journey with Latifa by his side. Rags Martel, ITV News.